string. Man, that was country, and that's the way country still ought to be. It was lived, not taught, it was earned, not bought. Had to put in the work to get to the top, let me tell you. But I think's really gone wrong. These days it's all wannabes singing someone else's songs. Everybody's doing the same damn thing. Where have the rebels gone? 'Cause we don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior, how about y'all? Can I get a outlaw? It don't have to be honky-tonks, boots and Wrangler jeans. It ain't the banjo or the fiddle, no. It's the words and what they mean. If you're gonna talk the talk, you better walk the walk. And brother, that's the truth. So honestly, what would Waylon do? I can guarantee if he was alive today, he'd ask us one more time, "Boss, you sure ain't done it this way?" We don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior, how about y'all? Can I get a outlaw? Are the good times really gone for good, or can we get back to our roots? It's about damn time we raise the bar, so raise a glass if you feel like I do. We don't need another pretty boy singing pretty songs. Fake country boys doing country all wrong. We need another haggard or a Johnny Cash, somebody chewing backer and whipping ass. I need a preacher, I need a savior, how about y'all? And I pray country answers my call. Can I get a